Welcome to the Hypnosis NGH podcast. This podcast series offers a fun and serious look at hypnosis and offers various ideas, discuss case studies, along with NGH educational opportunities. Join the leaders, innovators, and top professionals shaping the future of hypnosis. Welcome to the special edition of the NGH Hypnosis Podcast. Meet the presenters. I'm Eric Damon. The NGH convention takes place August 7th, 8th, and 9th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Begin the experience early with our pre-convention courses. We'd definitely like to welcome Kevin Martin to the podcast here, our Meet the Presenters podcast. Kevin is a consulting hypnotist, master practitioner of NLP, Order of Braid recipient. So definitely welcome to the program, Kevin.
Well, thank you, Eric. I'm really happy to be here. Thank you for having me on.
Absolutely. Now, you're going to be at this year's NGH convention. Now, you've been to a few, haven't you?
I've been to a few. It's been not as long as some of my colleagues, but 15, 16 years or something like that. Maybe 18 if I remember right.
There you go.
See, I can't even remember how many years now.
Well, that's good that you've been enjoying coming to the convention that long, and you've been presenting for a long period of time as well.
Yeah.
And this year you're going to be doing a pre-convention course. And for everyone listening or watching, basically we do have the 3-day convention happening August 7th, 8th, and 9th, but we do have a pre-convention courses and workshops going on as well as post-convention workshops. And,
and this is the first year I do a pre-convention. I've done post-convention a couple of times. I am looking forward to be able to get in there ahead of time and, maybe even collaborate with, and get to meet some of the people that I don't get to see because they're at the pre-convention, and during the convention, they're always out real busy. So I'm really excited about this.
Now, you're going to be doing on Thursday, August 6th. This is a full-day certification class, eye movement release technique.
Yes.
Can you talk to us about what people will learn by going to your certification course?
Sure. I've been running this, I've created this over the past 10, 15 years, and I've been running the certification course over the past several years. And eye movement release technique is an eye movement technique. Of course, people first think of EMDR, okay? I didn't base this on EMDR. This is actually based on an NLP technique, originally known as EMI. And there's some philosophies in how it works. And there's also philosophies on how EMDR works. I've actually done the studies. I've actually looked at the MRIs. I know exactly how this works in the brain. And knowing that allows me to apply this to so many different things. I believe that I've got one of the most comprehensive eye movement techniques out there.
Excellent. So you have the little tagline that says a gentle, effective approach to emotional release.
Yes. And gentle, effective, it's fairly easy. It's easy to do as a practitioner. It's easy to receive as a client. And from a brain standpoint, it's easy to get rid of whatever you're working on. The one thing I want to talk about is EMDR is known for PTSD, for trauma. I teach this to be used for almost everything else. There are other things that are safer. When you're working with trauma, you need to be safe with somebody. There are other things that are a bit safer to use for PTSD. But this can be used for light trauma and so many different things, and that's why I teach it, including it becomes an actual induction. So it fits really well in the world of hypnosis.
Nice. So when somebody takes this certification class, and it's a full day course.
Yes, it's a full day class.
When they walk away from this, and they'll be able to use it in their practice right away?
Absolutely. When they walk away from this, they will have experienced it from the client point of view and experienced it from the practitioner point of view several times They will have a comprehensive manual on how to work, and they will have access to me afterwards when they're first starting out using it with any questions and any feedback.
Great. Now, this is, and it's recommended you can be a seasoned hypnotist or you can be a new hypnotist.
Absolutely. But yeah, it can be used. I've taught non-hypnotists. I've taught coaches because it has its application, a single application that works great for coaches as well.
So this class is going to be happening on Thursday, August 6th. It's a full day certification course. And anyone who's interested in signing up it's separate of the 3 day convention. So you have to sign up separately for it.
Yes.
And that can be done on our website at www.ngh.net. Did I say too many W's?
You got it right. You got it right. And you spelled NGH right too.
Well, I hope so. So you're not only going to be doing a pre-convention class,
Yeah.
but you're also going to be presenting during the convention.
Yeah, and this is where the fun comes in. This is something I absolutely love. I've been doing this for years. Is presenting during the convention, meeting so many of my peers, meeting so many hypnotists, and actually having the hypnotists come to me. And the pre-convention is going to be the same, but it's just so many more people. And I just absolutely love being at the convention. And so, yeah, I've got I've got two courses that I'm presenting. One's creating a future imprint. Most of us know what imprints are, and they're things in the past that actually have they have an implication on us in the present. They actually affect us in the present. That's what imprints typically are, defined by psychology. Well, I actually create a future imprint where it's something that I help people plant in their future, and it actually affects the way they behave and think in the present. And so that's what I'll be teaching hypnotists to do with their own. So it's not just future pacing. It's a whole different, it's a whole enhanced process of future pacing.
And that's going to be happening on Friday at 4 o'clock, creating a future imprint.
Yes. Right. Yes. So I'm kicking off the conference with that first day one. And the second one is so near and dear to my heart. It's Beyond Forgiveness, Modern Day Ho'oponopono. Now, a lot of people have been introduced to this thing called Ho'oponopono. By the way, the first thing I do is teach them how to pronounce it.
As you would me. Keep trying. It's just not happening.
I have been using Ho'oponopono, and by the way, I know both versions of Ho'oponopono. Most people only know one of them, which has the 4-phrase prayer. And I'm going to be teaching around that, but people think that 4-phrase prayer is for just the law of attraction. A former hypnotist here from ages ago created a book called Zero Limits, right? And he reintroduced Ho'oponopono, and he made that 4-phrase prayer really popular for law of attraction. A lot of people don't know it is a clearing device. It's a clearing technique you can use for anything. So I teach my clients this. If they're going to go off, in between sessions or after my last session, and anything comes up, I teach them to use it that way. And it's wonderful. And then this whole thing about forgiveness is something I've been preaching and teaching for 20 years. And it is near and dear to my heart. And I use this Ho'oponopono on a daily basis. So I am excited and very passionate about finally being able to bring this to the conference.
And that's going to be happening on Saturday at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yep. It means I have to get up early and I can't party too much on Friday.
Right, you can on Saturday night. We'll let you do that.
Yeah. One other, though, I am doing this with Chris Atshade, The Power of Two. And it's something that we actually created, not just the course, but we created this whole theory from working together for many years. Maybe, even early 2000s, we were doing things together. We were doing workshops and everything else, and we've done stage shows. And so we're talking about getting together with other hypnotists, the importance of actually getting together and making those friends and friendships and having the ability to bounce ideas and all that. But also, we're going to show in the room the power of multiple hypnotists and how it impacts people. So I'm looking forward to that as well.
And that's a great presentation because I've seen you guys do that before.
Yeah, and I'll warn people, if you don't like laughing, you're not going to like this.
A nice, relaxing, fun class that you.
It is. That's exactly what Chris and I are. We play off each other so well. So
Perfect.
anyway, I'm so excited. The conference has always excited me. I love getting there, and I love meeting as many people as I can, and meeting my old friends that I haven't seen in a year, right? But I love the intimacy where I can actually talk to as many people and have conversations with as many people as I can, especially all the new people. It's one of my favorite things.
I think that's part of the allure of the convention every year is the fact that people can network with other folks and seasoned folks like yourself. It gives them a chance to actually go up and ask questions, and it's not shied upon. I mean, our presenters really enjoy talking to folks
Yeah,
about
yeah.
their practice and thoughts and things along those lines.
Thank you. And by the way, thank you for saying season, but I see it this way. It doesn't matter who I'm meeting up with, whether they're fairly new or they've been around a lot longer than me. I learn something from everyone. I just love it. And I've always loved the convention.
Excellent. Well, we can't wait to see you. Kevin Martin will be presenting, as we said. We've got a pre-convention certification class going on Thursday, August 6th that people can get in on, and that's a full day certification class. And then he's doing the 3 different presentations during the convention. So, Kevin, we can't wait to see you there.
All right. Thank you. I can't wait to get there.
Thank you for being part of this special edition of the NGH Hypnosis Podcast. Meet the presenters. Your next level of transformation is waiting. Join us on August 7th through the 9th in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and continue your journey with our pre and post courses as well. We'll see you at the convention, and sign up today, www.ngh.net. Thank you for listening to the Hypnosis NGH podcast. You're welcome to share your ideas for future podcasts by emailing us, nghpodcast@ngh.net.